All right, hello everybody. My name is James, and this is a submission for the Fall 2022 Chainlink Hackathon. This is BookShelf, and what it is a decentralized. This is an Ethereum dApp that lets anyone add their favorite books to the blockchain with the chance to win Ether. So I'll go ahead and demo this for you right here. So I'm going to connect my wallet, and this is all done with on the Go Early testnet. Connect. I'm going to add. Let's see, Harry Potter. And we're going to add book. I'm going to sign the transaction. And this is done using Chainlink VRF. So if I hop over to the contract here, the most interesting parts of this is that our BookShelf contract inherits the VRF wrapper consumer base contract. And the most noteworthy functions are Quill, which actually allows us to add books to the blockchain from our front end, as well as fulfill random words. So in our when we add our request to add a book to the blockchain, we actually request randomness from Chainlink, which calls out to the Chainlink contract, asks for a random word, and returns it to this function here. If the random word modulus 100 is less than 50, we will grant the user the prize amount. So a small amount of Ether, 0.0001 Ether. And if not, nothing will happen. It'll just be written to the blockchain. So let's hop back over, check out the transaction. You can see I had 0.0006 Ether and about 19.7 link in the contract. So I'm going to update right here. And it looks like we're still at 0.006 Ether. So I might not have won the 50-50 chance to earn ETH for proposing my book to the blockchain. But our link balance did go down. So we called out to the contract. Let's double check here. So I'm going to hop into the transaction, the logs. So we see Harry Potter here. I'm going to take this data, this request ID, and plug it into our read contract function here, statuses. And what this returns is our struct for this given transaction. It gives us some data about this transaction. This is the big random number that Chainlink returned to me. So what I'm going to do is actually run my Python script here. And what it does is it takes in my random number. I'll put it in. And it returns this random number, mod 100, which the output is 63. So it's larger than 50. Therefore, we will not be rewarded Ethereum. So yeah, it looks like we did not win Ethereum at all, unfortunately, but I can see, let's see, get all books. I can see all these books that I've queried in here. So we have Harry Potter, Hop on Pop, got the Sorcerer's Stone, Peter Pan. So these are all the books in the library. We just didn't win ETH this time around. And I can hop into the transactions. I can hop into the internal transactions here. You can see there are some transactions where I was indeed rewarded 0.001 Ether. So those were the 50-50 chances where we did win. Yeah, and that's BookShelf.